Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL. Nothing is quite as romantic as an iconic roadster, and nothing is as desirable as the athletic performance of this SL. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, command integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated and ventilated leather adaptive bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, and twin turbo V8 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.